Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Driven by Gears. We are going to change this front end to the picture I show you now. Stay tuned. Alright, so basically you're probably wondering what's going to happen here. On the newer pickups, they got like the LEDs that are coming around the front here. So basically we're going to mimic that look. I got these on eBay. They're basically strips that you hook up to the blinker and the headlights, and basically we're just going to wrap them up in there like so, one in the top and the bottom, and it will give us that effect. These are fairly cheap on eBay. They come with some little clips, small screws, so the hardest part about it will just be wiring it up. So, stay along, follow this video, and let's see what the result turns out to be. super clear. Wrap the lighting around the lights. Just gonna have to let it dry now. Takes a little bit. It's getting there though. And then I went ahead and went with that method instead of those little cheesy clips because it'll probably hold off better once this stuff dries and hardens. So, hopefully it'll dry soon. We'll fast forward to the footage and we get to see them on the truck. So as you can see in that video, I put the headlights, the grill back in, and now it gives it that new school look with the, 2002 model. Let me turn the headlights back on. So you can see here, got the little glow rings. And also it works with the blinkers. As you can see there. So it turned out pretty good. Can't wait to see what it looks like at night. Hopefully it will look pretty badass, because you'll actually get to see the little ring around the headlights like they're doing now on the 2018s, 2019s, all that. So I hope you like this video. That's a cheap way to make your lighting look a little bit different than the norm. So I'll leave the description below on the eBay link where I bought the lights. They're fairly cheap. So hope you like this video with the lighting upgrade, and hit the thumbs up, make sure and subscribe, and until next time, keep it simple, keep it sweet. See you again soon. Oh, and one more thing, I may have this video edited and done and uploaded before it gets dark. So in order to see what it looks like at night, go to the pictures on Instagram, and I will upload it tonight on Instagram, the pictures of what it looks like at nighttime. So check that out, Driven by Gears on Instagram, and you can see the full pictures.